Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a timer delay module. You'll get 4 buttons here: stop, set and up down. We are also getting a 5-volt relay and also a 7 segment display, 2 ground pin and 1 trigger pin in right side. You will also get a 5-volt USB port. Now I am powering it with 5-volt adapter. Now you can see the screen is glowing. Now press the set button for 3 seconds. And these are the programs you can set. It supports 4 programs. It has P1, P2, P3 and P4. Testing the P3.2 program. Now it will show OP. This is the timer. In CL we will set the timer for closed loop. You can set the time using up and down button. Now press the stop button for 3 seconds. As you can see, the dot is changing and the time is changing to minute to second. Now I am setting the time for 13.0 seconds. Then again press the set button. In LOP don't need to change any value. Then again long press the set button for the timer. As you can see, the timer starts. After 15 seconds you can see the relay turns on and also you can see the LED. After completing 15 seconds, LED turns off and you have to wait for another 13 seconds to turn on again. This is the function of program 3.2. It will off after playing the stop button. Now testing it with a LED bulb. Connect the bulb in these pins. The timer starts now. After 15 seconds it automatically turns on. Now when the time ends it will automatically turn off. You can see this module is very good for many applications. You can also increase the time according to your needs. This module can support 1 second to 999 minutes. So you can understand how powerful the module is. Now doing another program. This time set P3.1. And now you can see again the LED is glowing when the timer is active. After the timer ends, LED will turn off automatically and it will be permanent because this is a single time and it will not repeat again. Now test with P1.4 program. Now again set your time accordingly. This is similar to program 3.1. Now testing it with a motor, and again repeat the same process. So guys, how is the video? Hope you have enjoyed this. So give a like and subscribe to our channel, and also comment down below. So when the timer is active, the fan is moving. So today up to this, and stay tuned for our next video.